धीरे धीरे सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। Gradually everything will be fine. Gradually everything will be fine. बोलने की भी एक हद होती है। There is a limit of speaking to. There is a limit of speaking to. मैंने जानबूझकर ऐसा नहीं किया। I didn't do this intentionally. I didn't do this intentionally. उसे सब कुछ बताने की क्या जरूरत थी? What was the need to tell him everything? What was the need to tell him everything? मेरे पास बात करने का समय नहीं है। I don't have time to talk. I don't have time to talk. तुमने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? मैं भी किससे कह रहा हूँ? Whom am I even telling? Whom am I even telling? वो जमाना गुजर गया। That age has gone by. That age has gone by. उसे फोन करने की क्या जरूरत थी? What was the need to call him up? What was the need to call him up? भगवान ने चाहा तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा। If God wills, everything will be all right. If God wills, everything will be all right. बस यही सुनना बाकी रह गया था। Only that was what left to hear. Only that was what left to hear. आपने आने में बहुत देर कर दी। You took too long to come. You took too long to come. अब बात को ज्यादा बढ़ाओ मत। Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. मुझे उसे बताना होगा। I want to let him know. I want to let him know. अब ये मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है। This is very difficult for me now. This is very difficult for me now. जो हो रहा है होने दो। Let happen whatever is going on. Let happen whatever is going on. मुझे थोड़ी देर और सोने दो। Let me sleep a little longer. Let me sleep a little longer. मैंने वो सब कुछ किया जो मैं कर सकता था। I did everything I could. I did everything I could. भगवान की कृपा से हमारे पास सब कुछ है। By God's grace we have everything. By God's grace we have everything. बहाने बनाना तो कोई आपसे सीखे। One should learn making excuses from you. One should learn making excuses from you. यही तो मैं तुम्हें समझाना चाहता था। This is what I wanted to explain you. This is what I wanted to explain you. यही तो मैं तुम्हें बताना चाहता था। This is what I wanted to tell you. This is what I wanted to tell you. इसमें गुस्सा करने वाली क्या बात है? What's there to angry? What's there to angry? सब ठीक हो जाएगा, चिंता मत करो। Everything will be fine, don't worry. Everything will be fine, don't worry. मेरा कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं है। I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. मैं तो बस तुम्हारी खुशी चाहती हूँ। I just want you to be happy. I just want you to be happy. मेरा मूड नहीं है। I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. मेरा वहां जाने का मन नहीं है। I don't feel like going there. I don't feel like going there. मेरा वहां आने का मन नहीं है। I don't feel like coming there. I don't feel like coming there. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए मैं वहां नहीं जाऊंगा। Come what may, I won't go there. Come what may, I won't go there. मेरे जीते जी मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं होने दूंगा। I'll never let this happen during my lifetime. I'll never let this happen during my lifetime. कोई आ रहा है। Someone is coming. Someone is coming. उसकी बातों पर ध्यान मत दो। Don't focus on his words. Don't focus on his words. क्या आसपास कोई पेट्रोल पंप है? Is there any petrol pump nearby? Is there any petrol pump nearby? क्या आसपास कोई होटल है? Is there any hotel nearby? Is there any hotel nearby? अगर मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर में फोन करूँ तो चलेगा? Is it okay if I call you after a while? Is it okay if I call you after a while? वो मेरी कोई दोस्त वोस्त नहीं है. She is no friend of mine. She is no friend of mine. मैं इससे बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं हूँ. I am not at all happy with this. I am not at all happy with this. तुम मुझे ऐसे क्यों देख रहे हो? Why are you looking at me like this? Why are you looking at me like this? क्या आप कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते? Do you never tell a lie? Do you never tell a lie? मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I don't like it. I don't like it. मुझे वो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. I don't like him at all. I don't like him at all. मेरा आज चावल खाने का मन नहीं है. I don't feel like eating rice today. I don't feel like eating rice today. मेरा मोबाइल चार्जिंग पर लगा दो. Put my mobile on charging. Put my mobile on charging. पहले उसे नहाने दो. Let him take the bath first. Let him take the bath first. किसने डांटा तुम्हें? Who scolded you? Who scolded you? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? मैंने इसके बारे में कभी नहीं सुना. I never heard about it. I never heard about it. शुरू में मुझे पता नहीं था. Initially I didn't know. Initially I didn't know. प्यार व्यार के चक्कर में मत पड़ो. Don't fall in love and all. Don't fall in love and all.